loves. So today is cleaning the house day. Okay, hold on. Let me feed the cats first. Gonna eat Mimi? Mimi. She's tired. She don't eat with the other cats. She don't really fuck with them for real. It is Sunday. I need to do some deep cleaning. Mop the floors, do the laundry, wash my bedding, all that shit. I have not slept in my bed for like a week now. And I do notice a difference in my sleep when I sleep on the couch. Like, the couch is really comfortable, but I don't like to get up. It's almost too comfortable. Because in the morning, I really just don't want to get up. I just want to lay down and watch TV and be lazy. So, yeah, I gotta get back to sleeping in my bed. Like, when I sleep in my bed, I wake up on time. I don't know why. Like, my bed's really comfortable, too. Maybe I just get better sleep in my bed. I don't know. But, yeah. Maybe there's too much stimulation in the living room because I have, like, the fireplace on, the TV on, all of that. So, yeah. So, yeah, that's what I am about to do today. I've had clean dishes in the dishwasher for, like, days. I need to take that shit out, like, right now. I also need to go grocery shopping. I don't know if I'm going to do that today because I really fucking hate grocery shopping. But I need to. I mean, I need some food, so. Keep food in the house. I've been eating out a lot because I don't have food in the house. And I like that convenient shit. But, you know, I really should just meal prep because that would probably just be the better thing to do. I do want to get on Tasty, though. I want to make, like, an actual grocery list because I'm such a child. I just buy, like, I'll show y'all. It's ridiculous. I buy snacks. My house is full of snacks. I don't have any real food because when I want real food, I just, like, go eat somewhere, which is becoming a really bad habit. I have, like, spurts where I eat out for, like, 2 months straight, and then I'll, like, won't eat out for a while because I'm realizing how much money I'm spending, and it's not worth it. So, yeah, I'm kind of getting at the end of my binge of eating out right now. And I need to get some groceries and get some recipes and get excited about cooking. Because I like cooking when there's a recipe I'm excited about. But when I just cook the same thing every single day, it's not fun anymore. I don't know what time it is. Alexa, what time is it? Alexa, what time is it?
Good morning, Jalen. It's 11:04 a.m.
Okay. Okay, cool. I mean, it's Sunday. It really doesn't matter, but I do want to get started because I have a lot to do. Also, to get in here, organize these drawers, wipe off all the makeup. Y'all know how makeup be getting all nasty and shit, so I'm gonna organize these. I haven't gone through my makeup in a while. I do need to buy some new makeup because I'm out of some shit, but I think I'm gonna do that and go through all my lipsticks. Like, some of them are dried up and shit. I gotta go through because they're not all good. And then I kind of want to reorganize this up here. I haven't been loving it lately. And then, yeah, those I need to fix. Pretty much this room is not that bad. Just wiping shit down, throwing shit away and all that stuff. So I think I'm gonna start with laundry. I have to strip my bed because the cats get hair and shit on it when I just, like, abandoned the bedroom. Sorry. Usually I will shut the door so they can't get in here and, like, get hair all over my bed. But yeah, I haven't been shutting the door the last week and they've taken over, so I'm gonna wash my bedding and everything. So I'm gonna start with that so I can sleep in my bed tonight. And then I need to do laundry. All this is dirty. I need to, like, get it together. I don't have any towels. So yeah, laundry is a must. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with that. Okay, completely got sidetracked. Went swimming with my friends all day. It's about to storm outside. I don't know if you can see out there, but I guess we're like in a tornado warning or something. So I am going to do these dishes, get those started, just switch the laundry. Hopefully I can finish all of this shit tonight. I do want to wipe everything down, like in my room. I want to wipe down the tables and shit. But really, the biggest thing I need to do is clean out my makeup drawers. So yeah, I'm gonna just do this kitchen, sweep, mop the floors. Oh fuck, never mind. I have to fucking clean the mop head. Okay, I'm gonna sweep the floors and do these dishes real quick. Yo, y'all hear that shit? That's hell. My car is out there getting fucked up. Wow. That's crazy. So y'all, there has been this thing on my car. I have no fucking idea what it is, but it is like stuck. Oh my god, what is that? Ugh. I literally went through the car wash and it didn't come off. Oh my god, is it gum? What is it? I hate that. I don't even know how to get that off. I'm gonna go through the car wash. I'm just getting gas real quick. I have a lot to do today, but I'm hoping to finish the house tonight. Okay, loves. Sorry, got sidetracked by my whole weekend. It is like 2 days later. My mom had her birthday party last night. And yeah, we had to prepare for that for like 2 days and all of that. She went all out. So I have all this charcuterie food she gave me. She made like a huge charcuterie board for her and her friends. So these are the leftovers. She don't really eat this shit, so she gave it to me. So I'll be eating charcuterie for the next week. But yeah, I haven't even really started. I just got back from Walmart. I needed a litter box replacement and just a couple of things. Yeah, and I need to take off my nails. So what I'm about to do, I'm about to take off my nails real quick. It's time for a new set. I get them done on Wednesday. Let them breathe for a couple days. Take them off, and then we get started. I need to finish the laundry. That has, honestly, I'm just going to restart that. Because that has been in there for 2 days, and it is my bedding, and I do not want it to fucking smell. That's, like, definitely my toxic trait. I will forget about shit in the fucking washer and leave it there until it molds. But this is dry, thank God, so I'm gonna take those out and put them up. So yeah, I haven't even fucking started. I haven't even been home for real. The dishes in the damn sink, those are clean. I need to empty those and then put those in it and run it again. So yeah, I'm about to get started. I'm gonna lock in and do it. It's Saturday. I ain't doing shit tonight. I need to clean this house. before I finish up the house, sorry, I just like choked on my spit. You know, randomly when you just start like shit, your spit just chokes the shit on you. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna clean out my car. We went to the lake the other day and my car needs cleaned. About to go through the car wash because it looks like shit. So yeah, I'm about to do that real quick and then I'm gonna go home and finish the house. Yeah, so my house is clean. Finally, I got everything done. I do think I'm gonna end this vlog here. Much for watching. I do hope this gave you motivation to get your space together. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video.